No way. Oh, is that yawn? Is that yawn? Holy shit! Let's fucking go, Tachyon! What if it scores?
It just started.
It just started? Even better! Oh! With the Kobe, oh my God. The Olympics Kobe jersey? Yo, you already know what time it is, bro. You know what time it is. Oh, get him on stage. What are you gonna do? Yes. I like damage. I like damage. I like damage. It's okay, we good.
Back here, oh my God, you did. That is massive. And my skater landing. What?
I'm a hater. So I'm like, you said that, you weren't wrong.
It's like you beat Lottie and you swallow.
Let's go, Jan!
It's one more up there. Why does Wolf suck, bro? It's okay though, because he's gonna play her back.
He's a top like 10 character. What do you mean? No, wait. Hold up. Pikachu is too. So I'm not going to.
Anyone want a side bet on this?
$5.
$5 says Tachyon wins.
on Tachyon.
Yeah, I'm double fisting it.
Are you just so happy today?
I'm trying to feel better about my loss. Hey,
I'm so sorry.
dude, you know what's fucked up? I read the Mezcal match.
This looks like combo percent.
Yeah, Mezcal's like, all right.
Yes, sir.
You have to go hollow.
I'm so sorry.
And you're just going to sit in the corner, and if they ever hit you, you DI out, and you get off stage, and you reset. That's it. We're going to win.
No, I'm just here to play it.
Tachyon!
Yeah, you wanted that front row seat, asshole.
We run for Keed, right?
I'm short. Let's go, Keith!
I did it, right? I'm on the left. I'm up with stuff. I'm at 20%. I get my landing up there. I hold out. I get taken the platform. I die, and I go, wow, your character's really broken.
Yeah. Who would have thought? Big Brawler's a good character, huh?
Big Brother is literally like, it's almost like a short bus character, bro.
I want that, Keith!
Let's go, Yard!
Side order of 50 T-Jolts for you and an edge guard.
What's the effect on?
This guy can't hit you.
Best character the guy that's not gonna block operating money.
He's
Talk about it.
Not know.
I
did not know.
No,
He's actually that guy.
I think so. I'm not sure. Probably.
No, Keen is fucking ridiculous. Yeah, okay, Lucario player. We went.
Bubble Keen! Bubble!
But then I don't get my projectile.
Yo, Swizzler.
Let's go, Yard!
I know who you got here. $5.
He's already down. Oh, one. Stop that.
2 to 1. 2 to 1.
No.
I earned my money.
How was Tachyon Odin? How bad was that?
I didn't watch that.
Good night.
What if I did that and I was like, you off the phone? Anyone watch Tachyon Odin? What was that? Like got touchback?
Any side betters?
He got touched. He got that's what getting touched is. He's trying to steal that out. That's
My fucking Black ink, man. Come on. Oh,
Bet you missed us. How's teaching that?
In the blender with you.
Let's go, Tachyon!
Big damage. Yes, sir.
I think we beat Aaron.
Yes, sir. I like my neutral.
Tachyon, I like winning money!
He has
Oh, we fall out.
Yeah, okay. Everyone's got
This guy
to
dashes.
he's the best character in the game.
doesn't matter if you come back here. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
It's like me brawler
Scary.
combined with like.
It's me brawler combined with Ridley combined with Jesus Christ.
Wait, where is he?
Let's go, Yard.
Where is he?
Let's go, Yard.
Damn, I was trying to.
Let's go, Tachyon.
I fuck with it.
Bro, Rob
all
is just
good.
Ridley for the future, except he just got full enhancements, bro. None of that half shit.
That sounds like a Ridley shit, bro.
Not that Mega Ridley shit, bro. We're going
Zero mission.
body.
Zero mission if Ridley didn't die in the game.
Excellent.
If he actually finished his like narcissistic hobby.
Yeah? It's gonna be close. Fuck.
Holy
We don't need those stocks, baby. That's motherfucking key, man.
Tachyon!
Let's go, Yard. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ooh, okay. Stage. Get on my stage.
Okay.
Where you going?
Where are you going?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, you thought you could play the game too? Psych.
Yeah, this matchup's way.
That's the best part, bro.
It's really.
You got it. One round, bro.
Nah.
Okay, why did you?
Oh, wait. I'm introducing you to my friends.
Wow, I am not allowed to make a joke about this. I had to bite the shit out of my tongue.
Yes, I brought another team in Florida. Okay. This is my boy.
God, if you were white, I'd call you racist. Close enough. Hey, Tachyon, start sucking. Yo, why'd you guys get quiet? I wasn't done yet.
I'm keen. Yeah.
Okay, Tach, let's go.
Hey, Tachyon, remember, you're doing great for your region.
I would be excited to see you do good.
Let's go, Tach.
God, I wish I had an out of shield. I miss that. Hey, Tachyon, you're up 1.6%. You got 4. Never mind. It's good, dude.
Come
on, Key.
It's okay. It's okay.
Wow, Pikachu's grab range sucks. The key.
Yes, sir.
Tachyon,
Beautiful
Yes,
shoulder.
sir.
That shit's like so muscular and insane we can't see.
Nice.
Mamo keen.
Jesus.
I'm in it for the money!
Let's go, kid.
Let's go,
Kid. Kid, I need you.
It's that easy. It's that easy.
Tachyon, you're always just a better player. Never stop thinking about it. Always have an ego!
We know who the better player is. He's wearing a Kobe jersey. I'm telling you.
Keen, if you made it out the muck, you can make it past this set. Mamo keen.
Hey, is Tachyon employed?
Yes.
Hey, Tachyon, you have a job!
Nice.
Hey, Tachyon have a partner in his life.
Yes.
Tachyon, think of your significant. What the fuck?
You just fucked it up.
I think I choked. Sorry, I was choking on cock, guys. My bad. Hey, who said that? You. Yeah, he's laughing though.
Pick up.
Hey, bro, by stats, my boy's unemployed. He getting a dub.
Yeah, he's unemployed. Okay.
Yes,
all I'm saying.
Yes,
all I'm
sir.
saying.
Does he have a
I like
degree?
the damage, baby.
Tachyon, wait the cup.
Damage. Yes, sir. Adaptation.
What's he
Players
what
stop
doing?
that move. Not adapting.
Oh yeah,
Not
make it around
not
nice.
special.
And beat an ass. That's what he's about to do.
He didn't cook with that one.
Call him an exterminator. He fucking murdering this rat.
Why aren't you competing in this? You love this game, don't you?
It's all right.
You're gonna come back on the next one though, right? Come on, it's called an addiction.
August 2nd. I'm doing a
It's okay. You're good.
All you gotta do is buy food. I'm doing a
Let's go. I don't like that. You're not.
No, but he doesn't have like.
He's crazy.
Huh? They don't drive, like, you don't need to drive in Chile.
That's actually fair. You know, there's no joke to be made out of
Yeah,
that.
it's really
No, that's actually really fair.
They actually have transportation.
No!
With transit.
A USL, no!
Sorry, bro. Better luck next time.
Dude, it's so fucked up because I think about going to the Publix across the road. I'm like,
Let's go, Montana!
man, I wish I would pull my car out. God damn, I don't want to park it again. I know. That's why I call it. We have an alley. I can't make any jokes like that. Dude, I'd love that. I love driving. Yeah, oh yeah. Japan low-key comes with it. You got public transportation, and if you need to drive somewhere, which people don't have to, but if you do, pretty easy to do.
I mean, it's not that far from
You know, they're killing themselves on the work. Yo, it's actually fucked up. How bad Japan's workforce is in terms of mental health. I give them the double their transportation. Fantastic, but they're taking a hard hour. Who won that? Shocker. Jorge would have been different.
We've seen that battle before. Don't even.
You can't do anything.
That battle.
Hey, let's go, Tag. Oh, that's a better player right there. Yeah, dude, it's what I do. Dude, welcome home. Welcome to what we fell in love with. Well, I know you're 19. Tag, remember the method! Tachyon! Tachyon! I'm a If Ryan was here, he would say go home. Let's go, Tag, but I don't say that because I have
a moral compass.
Yeah.
How was that better?
Nah, that's his boy though.
Stop being right.
Let's go, employee!
It's too much fun.
Oh, this guy loves dropping his combo.
Vamos, King!
I hate finishers!
I hate finishing. That's better than playing this
Nah, bro, I found this.
Yes. Come to me.
Oh my god.
God, I knew no matter how bad my bracket was, gambling can always make it better.
I want the King!
I figured.
Okay, that one, you did not cook there. It could always be hockey when it comes to his cooking.
Oh my.
Nothing will ever be worse than us having to make a change in the hockey or shut up. Come on, Tag!
I want
I like winning neutral.
I love winning!
Oh my god.
I love Tachyon! I love winning!
Everybody gets two.
It wasn't supposed to happen like this! Tachyon, remember how employed you are!
You gotta play like you're proving that Diddy in a best of 3 is better than Kazuya.
Hey, can you say that on my microphone? Hey, why you staring up that dude's pants, G-Money? I saw you. You're looking up his pants. Hey, why you put your head back?
He gets a perfect marriage.
Oh, aren't you engaged? Aren't you married? You're not? Like, so you're engaged? Who was that baddie you were with?
Bro, they out here marriage watching on the floor. That's crazy.
Bro, that's how you know we too old for this shit.
Nice hack.
Dude, in like 2 years, I'm gonna be the same age Lade was when I started this game. That made me feel old. No.
Nice. Call his ass
Wait, how old are you
out.
now?
I'm 24.
I'm older than you?
How old are you?
Oh, fuck me. I'm 26.
I do 25 in a month.
Hey, ARP check coming soon, baby. We loading.
Woo!
I can already hear my hearing aids coming in, bro.
Yeah, guys, my tinnitus has never felt better.
He's dead.
Woo!
Pikachu can't kill. Better player alert. Better player alert.
Show him what you're a villain.
Okay, hold on. Loki against Wolf, I get it.
Or
Because
Paris.
it's funny, Wolf, you just died for
Oh
it.
my God, he's
You
back.
just, so I get
Oh
it.
my God, he almost died.
Other contender goes to Clown. The Clown. Oh, I messed up. Yeah, I don't do that shit. Sorry, I'm worried. I don't worry about that one. Sorry, my privilege is coming through. That's the only reason.
He just fucking did it.
I'm a keen.
Oh, crazy.
Hello, Tachyon!
What a basket.
All right, we're good.
We repping CFL, bro.
Just did
He
it.
isn't even our fucking region.
Basically CFL, bro.
He literally isn't.
People are American. He's gone to more CFL
Yeah, that's the same shit we say when Tweak loses at Summit and we're like, Sonics has always been an NA, right, guys?
Oh my God.
Yo, Sonics is Florida, bro. That's all I'm saying.
Sonics literally doesn't live here.
That's Florida, bro.
What does Sonics live, by the way?
The MDR.
Oh, okay.
He might live in Vegas now. I don't know.
Oh my
Yo,
God,
hold on.
he's
Sonics in
getting
Vegas sounds
hard.
crazy. Actually, not Sonics in Puerto Rico. Sonics in Vegas.
No,
I was gonna be like, he's a territory, guys. It counts.
Indeed, it's time for him to die. Hit him with anything.
Tachyon, I think you're about to
I
die.
like neutral.
I'm okay.
Tachyon, I'm pulling out my wallet.
Yes, sir.
I can be pulling out something else if your game changes.
We live.
What a crap.
Nothing will ever be funnier than Sure Hyper doing fair shine against Epic Gabriel and Sir. And like that's a dog. I've always loved Northflorida. I've never had a bad thing to say about them. Woo! We love it!
I like damage. I like I like
That was a
damage.
raw up there, guys.
I like damage.
Crazy. What?
Keep tweaking out, bro.
He just fucking did it.
Okay, hold on.
keen.
Hold on, that parry was fucking awesome. Oh, hold the fuck on. Oh,
What a
We live.
oh, what a better player, Dion.
Not even close.
Better player, DI.
Woo!
Elite smash. Well, Vaniki would have grabbed there.
He's sitting in shield. What's he gonna do?
I'm a keen.
Wolf can't kill!
Good. Oh, I like more damage. Let me get the 6.
Look at that.
Wolf can't kill! Does it sound like what?
We live.
This is crazy.
I'm trying to sound like Vaniki. Vaniki, how do you do it?
You don't either.
Oh my god,
Here we go.
Nice.
Get out there.
All right, Tachyon, you got extra credit.
I'm a keen.
Let's go, young. Let's go, young.
I'm not gonna lie, I would have
Okay.
Oh my God.
He actually had to read.
No, if you had to read it, would have
Right
hit
to
it.
you, right to you. Yeah, you're right.
Oh, he's so lucky.
And now he denies the wolf flash.
Nah.
I think you're really short. Do you want to get front row?
What the fuck?
I think right in front of David.
Nice.
Leave the short kings alone.
I'll put my fat ass out instead. Let's go, Keen.
I'm a keen.
Wait, why'd you straddle me like that, dude? What the fuck were you trying to do?
I put my hands on his shoulders at 6.
What were you doing that, bro?
This shit taking long as hell.
Yeah, dude, it's 1:49 on the clock.
This is crazy.
Dude, it's fucking Tachyon Pikachu. What do you think I'm
I
at?
like it. I like it.
Woo!
trying to play more game.
Tachyon, I always knew you were the better player.
Tacky.
We are not funny. We're not the one that's we're not.
Here's Pikachu in South America.
Guys, it's Beast Ball Ball! Oh, it's getting fruity.
Is Kiki playing
No,
bracket?
that's not. I get that shit. I didn't understand.
Is Kiki playing bracket?
Huh?
Is Kiki playing bracket?
Kiki, bracket. The key.
Alright, Jan.
No, dude, it's fruity.
3 stocks is all you need, brother.
Does Tachyon have a pocket?
Let's go, Tachyon!
But then again, how informed am I on North
Figure out
Florida?
how good Mario Kart World is gonna feel when you
Let's
beat
go,
this
Tachyon.
guy.
You got 7 minutes.
No, think the pro make it go.
7 minutes for 400 each.
No, dude, whatever gets me $5. Yo, this guy sounds broke as dick.
I haven't broke his
No, me.
Oh, I'm also.
You're gonna be broke as dick when I'm done with $5. That's like, God, in this economy, a quarter of a meal.
Let's go, Keen!
At this venue. Dude, no, that's a whole fucking luche box. Shut up.
That's like a Wendy's 4 for 4 rents.
Oh, that's actually a Wendy's $5 biggie bag right there with a bacon double stack.
Yeah,
Biggie bag.
No, wait, that's $6 now.
Yeah, it is $6 now. It's fucked up.
Yeah, you're broke. Us brokes gotta get together. Wait, what's the $5 now? A chicken sandwich? No, chicken sandwich?
I think it's a chicken sandwich now.
Okay.
No, it's the chicken sandwich or just the bacon, the junior bacon cheeseburger. But it comes with fries, 4 nuggets, and a drink.
You guys are some fucking big bags out here, bro. Jesus.
Big bag?
Big bag.
I know that.
Yeah, it's called the Wendy's biggie bag.
Facts.
It's
For the
all
big
carbs,
bags.
by the way. I can vouch you're hungry in like 3 hours after eating it. That shit actually sucks at filling you up. Oh my god! Better player! Oh my god, he's at kill percent. I'm so scared.
They both are.
No, dude, it's big.
They both are.
Win me 5.
Vamos, Keen!
Tachyon, please!
I got this,
You're
Jan.
good. You're good.
The more people this guy beats,
Wait.
the better my loss.
No, who'd you bet on? Come on, you didn't bet with me?
Hell no. You wanted more than $5.
That's just $5.
Also, I yelled and
Nice, Tag.
I literally took the first taker and you weren't in. Well, guess you don't get $5. Tachyon!
Vamos, Keen!
I feel like Tachyon's having fun. He wins.
Nice.
Yeah, but that's understandable. You're fighting Rat.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of hard to hit that fucking rat.
Yeah. Oh no, the Rat's a bastard. He should die. In game. But
In
hey,
game, guys.
Minecraft.
Alright, we're fine.
He's talking about Mickey Mouse, guys.
But no, if he wants to punch this one back. Can't stand Orlando. Can we go back to Daytona?
No.
Wait, why not just
Yeah, there's no problem with Daytona, right, guys? Look at the white. That's why we got away with it.
Nice, Tag.
Daytona.
Nice, Tag. Nice.
Loki.
Nice.
Yes.
Vamos, Keen!
Alright, Tag, you got it.
I'm looking a little light right now. I gotta get a tan, bro. I've been inside too much.
Dude, they're gonna start calling me.
I'm getting tan, bro. There you
Bro,
go.
this work. Look at this work's doing to my tan.
Yeah. Man, looking good.
Hey, you're gonna have to teach me a thing or two.
Vamos, Keen!
Yes.
You know, it's because of I'm working outside for an internship, so it's just destroying my tan life.
You actually walk outside. We don't. We stay inside like the ghosts we are.
No! Dude, my team is so much worse than football.
Makes up for good ass.
Yeah, you play football.
Yeah, I'm a fat ass. I play football.
Let's go,
Vamos,
Keen!
Keen! I want it!
I need it! I felt so cool too.
I'm just gonna take that for Keen, and yeah. Thank you guys for supporting Keen. Appreciate it. Love
Keen. No, I'm not gonna be racist.
Okay.
He doesn't live here anymore.
Okay.
Right? Lettuce does not live here anymore. He went to Oklahoma, bro.
You know what? He'll be happy.
No, he won't be, because if he does anything slanderous, they'll blame it on us still.
We're good.
Yeah, true. Nah, we've been good. We've been good boys.